Financial education is the key to unlocking financial freedom. It's about taking control of your money and making it work for you. With financial knowledge, you can achieve your goals and dreams. Whether it's buying a home, starting a business, or retiring comfortably, financial education empowers you to make informed decisions. It's for everyone, regardless of income or background. It's about understanding basic financial concepts and applying them to your daily life. From budgeting and saving to investing and managing debt, financial education provides the tools you need. Many people feel overwhelmed by financial matters. However, financial education is not about being a financial expert. It's about understanding the basics and developing healthy financial habits. By investing in your financial education, you're investing in yourself and your future. Let's embark on this journey together and unlock the door to financial freedom. Budgeting is the cornerstone of financial management. Understand where your money is going and make conscious choices. Budgeting empowers you to allocate money to what matters most. Track your income and expenses for a month. Categorize expenses into needs and wants. Set financial goals and review your budget regularly. Every step brings you closer to financial freedom. Saving is an essential part of financial well-being. It provides a safety net for unexpected expenses and allows you to achieve your long-term financial goals. Whether you're saving for a down payment on a home, your child's education, or retirement, building a solid savings plan is crucial. One of the most important aspects of saving is establishing an emergency fund. An emergency fund is a separate savings account that you can access in case of unforeseen circumstances. Experts recommend having 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses in your emergency fund. Start by setting a small savings goal, such as $1,000, and gradually increase it over time. Automate your savings by setting up a recurring transfer from your checking account to your savings account each month. You can also make saving fun by challenging yourself to save a certain amount each week or month. Remember, every dollar you save is a dollar that can help you achieve your financial dreams. Investing is one of the most effective ways to grow your wealth over time. By putting your money to work in the market, you can potentially earn a higher return than you would from a traditional savings account. However, investing comes with risks, and it's important to understand the basics before you get started. There are many different types of investments, including stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. The type of investment that's right for you will depend on your individual financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. If you're investing for retirement, you have a longer time horizon, which means you can afford to take on more risk. However, if you're saving for a down payment on a house in a few years, you'll want to choose more conservative investments. There will be ups and downs in the market, but over time, the stock market has historically trended upwards. By staying invested for the long haul, you can ride out market volatility and potentially achieve significant returns. Section 5. Tackling debt head-on. Strategies for debt management. Debt can be a major obstacle to financial freedom. Create a budget and track your spending to manage debt. Use the snowball or avalanche method to pay off debts. Consider debt consolidation or negotiating lower interest rates. These strategies can help you achieve financial freedom. Section 6. Planning for the future. Retirement Planning Basics. Retirement may seem like a distant event, but it's never too early to start planning. The sooner you start saving and investing for retirement, the more time your money has to grow. By taking advantage of compounding interest, you can potentially accumulate a significant retirement nest egg. There are many different retirement savings plans available, including 401ks, IRAs, and Roth IRAs. Each plan has its own rules and regulations, so it's important to research and choose the plan that's right for you. If your employer offers a 401k plan, consider contributing enough to receive the full employer match, if available. Diversifying your investment portfolio can help reduce risk and potentially increase your returns over the long run. It's also important to regularly review and adjust your retirement plan as your financial situation and goals change. By planning ahead and making informed financial decisions, you can enjoy a comfortable and fulfilling retirement. Section 7. Resources for Financial Empowerment. Where to find help. Navigating the world of personal finance can be overwhelming, but you don't have to do it alone. There are numerous resources available to help you improve your financial literacy and achieve your financial goals. Whether you prefer online courses, in-person workshops, or one-on-one guidance, there's a resource out there for you. Online courses and workshops offer a convenient and affordable way to learn about personal finance topics at your own pace. Websites like Coursera, edX, and Khan Academy offer a wide range of courses on budgeting, saving, investing, and more. Financial advisors can provide personalized guidance and support tailored to your specific financial situation and goals. They can help you create a budget, develop an investment plan, and navigate complex financial decisions. Libraries and community centers often offer free financial literacy programs and workshops. Check with your local library or community center to see what programs are available in your area. Section 8. The ripple effect of financial literacy. Benefits beyond personal finances. Financial literacy is not just about managing your own money. It's about creating a ripple effect that benefits your family, community, and society as a whole. When individuals are financially literate, they are better equipped to make informed decisions that contribute to their own well-being and the well-being of those around them. Financially literate individuals are more likely to save for their children's education, providing future generations with greater opportunities. They are also more likely to invest in their communities, supporting local businesses and contributing to economic growth. By making sound financial decisions, individuals can help create a more stable and prosperous society. By empowering individuals in underserved communities with the knowledge and skills they need to manage their finances, we can help break the cycle of poverty. The benefits of financial literacy extend far beyond personal finances. Section 9. Conclusion. Embracing a lifetime of financial learning. Financial education is not a one-time event. It's a lifelong journey. The financial landscape is constantly evolving, and it's essential to stay informed about new products, services, and regulations. By embracing a mindset of continuous learning, you can adapt to changing financial circumstances and make informed decisions. Every step you take towards improving your financial knowledge and skills brings you closer to your financial goals. By applying the principles of financial education, you can take control of your money, achieve your financial goals, and live a more fulfilling life. Financial freedom is within your reach, and it all starts with taking that first step towards financial literacy.